Every single thing you've been taught is a lie, and I'm here to give you the truth. The algorithm is trying to separate genders. It's feeding us information to make us go at war with each other. If we go at war with each other, then there won't be families. There's no family, there's no structure, there's no unity, there's no power. So, what we need is love. No matter how it comes, no matter how it looks, no matter what races are together, what genders are together, just love. This book right here, the last chapter, is titled Love. So let me give you a working definition. Let me give you some ideas. Let me answer some questions. Let me resolve some issues by reading this last chapter. It ain't gonna take long. I made them short because I know attention spans don't last. So here it goes. Love is everything but misused and overrated. Love is subjective. It has difficult meanings for different people because we haven't achieved a collective agreement on exactly what it is. The use of the word has been so diluted that everyone slings it around to manipulate, convince, or to get into the good graces of someone else. Love has so many levels of meaning that for you to achieve it in this lifetime, you must understand the power of it. This tool called love is an incredible connection between yourself and others. You must accept the concept of love to gain wisdom and feelings through interacting with people. Together, those experiences combined with being open and trusting your instincts shall help you arrive at a true understanding of what love means to you. Love evolves. It's a chemical response to an emotional trigger. One needs to love and to respect themselves before being capable of loving anyone else or even understanding the vastness of love itself. Stimulation is not love, but you can love stimulation and call it what it is, stimulation. Oftentimes, people will fall in lust with the execution of stimulation by someone. The certain thing that a person does to your mind or body through mental or physical stimulation has tricked many people into believing that they are in love. On the contrary, what they are experiencing is a group of triggers to their senses, and due to their lack of interpretation of what they're feeling, they label it love. Be open to all stimulation so that you can learn what you like to feel and what to avoid. Familiarize yourself with the wheel of emotions so that you can have a vast vocabulary of feelings at your disposal. This will save you the agony from telling people that you love them, creating false commitments, and unsure declarations by just labeling it love. To identify lust, intrigue, sexual attraction, fascination, and satisfaction allows you to be more honest in your intimate relationships without leading someone on that you are in love. Learn to like more, enjoy experiences, and to create reservations about who you open all of yourself to. You cannot harness or truly express the power of love until you gain knowledge of self. People can only give you what they have inside. No one can be sincere about loving you until they can express through actions what it means to love themselves. In life, people will try to convince you that your greatest motivation to succeed is to be loved and adored by a multitude of people. This isn't completely wrong. Knowing who you are, the nurturing you lack, and the level of compassion and empathy you hold will help direct the relationships that exist between you and the world. When you gain that knowledge of self, you will know your expression of love. Once you reach that level of understanding, you will be able to identify what makes you and your love so powerful and unique. After knowing what love means to you, no one will be able to manipulate you with it. No one will be able to affect you with their hidden agendas or exploit your vulnerabilities of needing love because you will be so clear and secure with who you are and what love means to you that they will avoid playing with your emotions. This power of love is a magnet for others because they will see in you what they have desired without you having to say a word. Quickly, they will express their love for you and not be able to control it because they haven't come across anything as extraordinary as you. Let me explain. After using all the tools in this book and obtaining knowledge of self, you must ask yourself what the requirements are for someone else to experience all the love that you're offering. You will understand them mentally, physically, spiritually, sexually, financially, and pay attention to their needs without them saying a word due to your divine spirit. Your ability to truly see them along with your sexual discipline will make pleasing their lusts and needs an easy task. Why should they receive the honor of having you? What are your personal requirements, and what evidence of their character will you demand to receive an understanding with them about what love means to you? If they understand you and vice versa, you will both make each other happy. The two of you will have the purest bond. The greatest love of all is the love of self. Like time, it should not be wasted on anyone who doesn't increase your appreciation of life. With the tools of spirituality, reciprocation, sexual powers, and obsession with success, you will be beyond extraordinary should only entertain the truest form of love. Value yourself at all costs. All who love you will have the understanding that they must completely value you too. Present yourself to the world with the best physical appearance, and in turn, the beautiful and well-grown will be attracted to you and realize your standard. Your ability to articulate to the person of interest who you are and what your goals are will detract the manipulators and distractors who have cute faces and hollow souls. You will evoke confidence. You are the greatest and most powerful creation in existence. After using these 20 tools, you won't have to seek the approval of others and call it love. You will never mistake lust and sexual tricks for love. You will see through the miscommunication in others between compassion and affection. And you will never confuse a few gestures of intimacy as love. Your understanding will be earned, protected, and cherished. If anyone is foolish enough to reject your love, you will understand that they are misguided and unable to accept your level of knowledge and wisdom. Love with caution and treat it like a rare and extremely expensive jewel. Express through the world through your love that you will give what you receive with interest because you are love. Show the world that you do not have to fall in love, but that when someone has met your standards and enriches the happiness of your life, you can expose them to a life that will fulfill their mind, body, and spirit because you have the tools to do it. Love is a powerful thing when you're not fooled by it. Your supreme spirit will attract what it is and repel what it is not. Trust it. With the full knowledge of who you are, you will not waste your time or love on someone who is not bringing more to the table or enhancing your happiness. If you can love, cherish, and fulfill someone's desires, the very least that you must require is that they return it with interest. With the use of these tools, you are an extraordinary being on this earth. Do not settle for ordinary love. Life Survival Kit. Before you engage, before you use, before you declare, before you say I do, before you throw the word love around, understand that it is the greatest understanding first with yourself. And when you have that understanding with yourself, you will be able to attract and detract those who are not bringing the same level of understanding. And when you and someone else or more have an understanding of each other, each level of expectation, each level of love, each level of commitment to learning and understanding what love means to each of you, your expression of love will come easily because you are love. I'm Great Zach Tate. Thank you for your time. If you need a copy of Life Survival Kit, DM me, go to greatzactate.com or reach out.